Good afternoon. I'm Tom Stolz, County Manager, and we're here today to discuss the Sedgwick County COVID-19 daily update for April 21st. First of all, the numbers overall. In the United States of America, our numbers went from 761,991 up to 788,920. The state of Kansas numbers increased from 1986 to 2,025. The number of confirmed deaths in the state of Kansas is now at 107. In Sedgwick County, our cases increased from 250 to 283. And our periphery cases in counties surrounding Sedgwick are Harvey at 5, Butler 12, Cowley at 1, Sumner 3, and Reno 14. Update from the health department: the criteria testing has been revised. Residents can be tested if they have a fever and at least 2 other symptoms of COVID-19. There are no restrictions on age and underlying conditions. KDHE reports that as of noon on today, that more than 2,500 residents have been tested for COVID-19 in Sedgwick County, and the health department is currently taking samples of residents who meet the criteria to be tested for the disease. There are 85 people scheduled to be sampled today by the health department, and the health department wants to make an emphasis that we have the capacity to test more people in the county today than we did a week or 2 ago, and they encourage people to call 211 if they think they should be tested for COVID-19 to start the screening process of the current guidelines of the day. For any other information regarding that, see our website, www.sedgwickcounty.org. I might mention here that it is important that we test as many as we can. We are entering a crucial stage in the county on a couple of fronts. One is we're trying to determine if we are reaching our peak for the county, which was projected very early on to be from April 16th to May 9th. A more finite time on that has been put out by KDHE of the last week of April here, so we're entering a crucial time, and as many tests as we can possibly get done, we need to do so to give us the best data we can get to. Regarding orders in place, the governor's order banning public gatherings in excess of 10 people is still in place until May 1st. The governor's stay-at-home order is in place until May 3rd. Residents may also use an online testing site locator to find a place closest to where you are at to facilitate a COVID-19 test. And again, go through 211 to go through the screening process, and see those online testing site locators at our website. The county's website continues to change. We continue to try to add data points and graphics that help you track what is going on with the infection. So please visit that if you haven't seen it for the last few days. There are some changes happening, and they will continue to change as we go through this process. Our prevention measures are still the same. Stay at home when possible. Wash your hands, cover all coughs and sneezes, maintain social distancing, and limit public gatherings to 10 or less now. The other thing I want to mention during today's briefing is tomorrow at the County Commission meeting starting at 9 a.m. and it can be watched on KPTS. The Commission, acting as the Board of Health, will have the first discussion of health recovery plan. This is the plan. It'll be very high level tomorrow, where we can begin a discussion of what it looks like after stay-at-home orders are rescinded or will expire. It's going to be an interesting discussion, and it will begin to set the guidelines for us in the future on how we crack the county back open and get away from the stay-at-home order. So please watch that. It'll be an interesting dialogue. We're going to manage this in phases. The phase tomorrow will be a high-level discussion where we get to hear from the Board of Health and the health director together to talk about the phasing process. And then the following Wednesday, on April 29th, we will get further into the weeds and begin to actually put some specifics together on what this may look like in the month of May for Sedgwick County. So please watch that. And if you have questions, don't hesitate to call any of us. That's all for today's meeting. We will be back again tomorrow with an update after the commission meeting is over. Thank you.